Alright guys, Paul here again, and my bad luck streak with RC just keeps on rolling and rolling over the last few months. The amount of cars that have broke, it's really getting frustrating now. It's kind of getting me a little bit down about the hobby, but hey ho, when you've got a lot of cars, you do a lot of bashing, crawling, etc, things happen. So I was really excited with all the work I've been doing on my Kraton 8S, and I've got a lot of good goodies coming for it. I got them from Model Sport UK, and they're meant to be delivered by DPD. So on Thursday I got my notification my delivery is supposed to be here. Didn't turn up, still showing that my parts are in England for whatever reason. So I've contacted Model Sport, they guys were great, they're going to look into it. So my parts are kind of in limbo just now. But that gets me to where we are just now. So I decided, you know what? New Kronos XTR coming out, looks absolutely outstanding. Watched the video, I'm thinking possibly could even get another Kronos XTR just because I like the new version and what they've done. Corrali seem to be really stepping the game up. But I'm taking my original one out just now. I was warming up before I was going to do a video, and my centre diff blew. So as you can see, I've usually got dirty hands anyway, but my hands are really dirty. So the internals of the diff just went slipping, just only getting front wheel drive barely. So like I say, I've not been out with RCs for a while, I'm far away from home, and I don't want to not do a video. So what I've done, and it seems to be holding, we'll see if it works, I've locked the diff, and you're asking how did you lock the diff in the middle of nowhere with just a couple of Allen keys? Well, it's pretty simple really, and maybe stupid, so we'll find out as the video goes along if this works or not. But what I've thought is, you know what, I'll grab some just now. There's lots of stones and things lying about here where I am, it's obviously all gravel. If I jam a few of these in between the gears, potentially could lock my diff. So we're running rock weight diff oil, literally type 1 gravel diff oil. So hopefully this will go together and I'll get a nice wee run just now and we'll see what happens. But if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. But I wanted to try something. I'm going to have to order a new diff. To be fair, on Corrali, this is original diff. I have changed the oils here and there. I had it a million weight last time I had it out, and I've had it down to 500k, so I've had it open and shut a few times. Maybe just with that. Also as well, you can see the drive cups now kind of need replaced anyway, they're a bit brutalised. So yeah, if we can get a run just now, order a new diff up. But fingers crossed for me guys, hopefully this works. Here we go. Right guys, this is about 15 minutes later or so. I didn't really time it, but a couple of the screws were a little bit soft, so they're a bit hard to tighten up. But I've got everything together now. The Kronos XTR switched on, as you can probably hear the fan. You can see it's on there. And basically this is the first push of the trigger. We having rocks running my centre diff. So if this fails, you'll see the fail with me, but anything to get this bash going will keep me happy. So let's see if this works. Let's move on. Yes! No way! I'll have to show you guys my reaction with that one. So chuffed. I don't know if it's going to last. I've got the 3S battery in just now. I'm going to put 4 and 6 in later, but yeah. Sorry, I got a runny nose. I'm freezing cold. It's about 3 degrees temperature here, and yeah, I was just totally bummed out I couldn't get a little bash on the go. So we'll go get it on with it just now. Fingers crossed it'll all go good. I'll obviously need to get a wash when I go home. We'll have to get a tissue for this runny nose. It'll not keep on the camera for too long. So I'll get the video up in my bash. We'll come back at the end. If anything does fail again, I'll let you guys know. But yeah, happy to be back running again. Oh well. It worked for a little while. I started playing with it, done a little bit of video and some shots. I think the couple of backflips I done, possibly with just landing on the impacts, maybe grinded the stones up. I'm not going to do that again. I'm just going to get a new diff, but I thought it would be fun to try anyway, so yeah. Not to worry, I had a little bit of fun with the car today. Probably a really stupid idea trying that, but I got a few backflips and stuff, so yeah. Not to worry, we'll get this car fixed fairly soon, be back with something else, and I'll catch you guys later. I'll wait to go and strip this bad boy down. Paul out, bye.